Well, guys, taking us on a little adventure today.
Angry hiker.
Yeah, with the angry hiker. We're having a me day today.
What's that?
So we're having a hike to the waterfalls. We're going to the Palo Maria waterfalls. And it looks like the water is flowing really nicely. Just a beautiful day for a hike in the jungle. So Greg's already injured himself twice so far on this hike. Yeah. There's a scrape, there's a scrape. That's why we call him the angry hiker. Really nice hike so far though. All along this beautiful water. The gorgeous jungle. Just a beautiful, beautiful hike. We'll let you guys know when we hit the waterfall here. Well, we made it, guys. We made it to the waterfall. There he goes. Gorgeous. All right, jumping in. There he goes. Wow. Pretty awesome. Look at all the cool fish swimming in the water. Absolutely gorgeous. Giant jungle spider.